Hello everyone and welcome back. Just wanted to let everybody know that I got the sled for ice fishing and for pulling stuff across to the tent if I use the snowmobile this year. And it's nice. I mean, it's the medium sized one. Somebody did comment that I'd be happier if I got the bigger one, and I might have been. To be honest, this was the only size that I could get at the time. But I thought that this would have been the one I would have bought anyway. It just seemed like it'd be big enough, and it will be big enough for everything I need. I'm just thinking if you were to throw a deer in here, which is what they were talking about, you know, the more room would be nice. But this is going to be plenty for what I have to pull across to the tent, and for ice fishing, hopefully. I don't know how that auger will fit in here. I guess I'll have to set that in there and see. Well, the auger fits in there good. My fish house is quite big, but that's okay because that can stick out the back. And yeah, I'll still get a pail in here, and for going up across to the tent, it's going to be really nice because I'm just used to that little sled that's like this big by this long and about this much room when you tie it. So this is going to be really nice. But I brought it out here this afternoon because also in comments they were talking about how if you pull it with the string, it can have a tendency to turn over. And also when you stop, you know, it's going to slide and bang into the back of the four-wheeler or bang into the back of the snowmobile. So they suggested getting one of these, and I had never even thought about it, and so I ordered one right away. This will fit on there. This pivots so the sled can go like this without tipping over. Let's see, how's that supposed to go on there? This side down. Bet that's annoying, huh? I almost think it would be smart to drill a couple of holes through here so you could run a string back and forth. And then just leave, I don't know if this would be long enough for, not really, but get some more so that you can tie stuff down in here. I think that's going to work pretty good. I was going to take the Grizzly when I went out, but the other morning I had it sitting, I left it outside because it was supposed to get to 10 below, which it did. And I came out here when it was about 6 below, and I had it parked out, I don't know, 20 feet in front of the workshop. to just make sure that it would start, because I just went through putting in new batteries, and that one has the electronic fuel injection, and with the new battery, like everybody said, it just pops right off. The problem with that is it started up just fine, but you could not shift it out of park. And I've had a little bit of trouble with that before. I mean, sometimes you have to shake it a little bit and then you can shift it. And so, of course, I went online and I looked, and there's like, I think it's over by the foot brake on the other side. There's either a drain plug or a drain hose. Anyway, it sounded like you have to drain that, because it'll get, one person said that they had the same trouble. Went ice fishing, loaded it up in the truck the day before, get out there to go ice fishing, start it on the trailer, couldn't back it off the trailer. You gotta let it sit and run for 15 minutes or so before it warms up enough so that whatever is in there melts so you can move things. And I'm not gonna put up with that crap. So anyway, I think I'm gonna pull the Grizzly, or the George's old four-wheeler, the 4-Trax, and bring it in here and run this into the workshop and heat it up tomorrow. Somebody said that there was a drain plug or something that they did underneath there, and almost a pint of water came out of it. So I mean, if it's something I know I have to do, I'll do it, but otherwise, how am I supposed to know? So I'm gonna start this up and let it run for a while, and I'll bring it to the workshop. I had Zachary check the snowmobile, and it already has a hitch on the back that'll accept this, so that'll be nice. I was going to take the plow off the Grizzly before I went ice fishing, and somebody in comments said they leave theirs on, and then you can plow a little area for the fish house to sit on. It's like, yeah, that's a great idea, plus it's more weight. One thing I'm going to figure out on this is, do I want to put chains on it? I have one set of chains, and these have some pretty nice tires on it, but you know, if you're on the ice, chains would be nice, so I might put a set on this, since I have them, and then, you know, it can't hurt anything, that's for sure. Okay, everyone, well, thanks a lot for watching. I was going to switch the four-wheelers around. I got them both running. And then Melissa called. She was driving home from, or back from her mom's house to the Louisiana house. So I shut the four-wheelers off and talked to her on her ride back, and then it was 6 o'clock. So I had to get the burn pile going. I wanted to burn a pile of pallets out there. And I've been at that for over 2 hours now. So I'm just going to shut things up, switch these around tomorrow or the next day. And at least you got to see we got the sled now, and that's all ready to go. And can't wait to go ice fishing. Can't wait to get the snowmobile and get up to the tent. I will see you guys on the next video.